Imagine a world devoid of the internet. Silence descends where once status updates flowed. News feeds run dry. The constant hum of connectivity silenced. This is not a scene from a dystopian novel. This is the reality we face when the internet, our digital lifeline, falters. On October 4th, 2021, the world experienced a taste of this digital darkness. Facebook, along with its subsidiaries Instagram and WhatsApp, vanished from the internet. For 6 long hours, billions were left digitally stranded. The outage exposed our dependence on a system we often take for granted. It was a stark reminder of the internet's inherent fragility. This event, while jarring, was not an isolated incident. The internet, for all its power, is not invincible. Past outages like the major Cloudflare disruption have similarly crippled online services. The Facebook